This is 405 Main, apartment 4. You have off-street parking and a lot. This is on the corner of Main and Luzerne. There's your own private deck right here. It will be stained and everything once it's 100% finished. And everything will be painted too. Just some work to do still, but it's rentable right now. This is Pork Chop. This is my partner, right, Pork Chop? We're practicing safe distances, right? All right, and this is the kitchen. Nice kitchen, brand new everything. The appliances that I haven't delivered, you have a gas stove over here, and also there's a fridge I'll fit in that corner. New cabinets, new sink, countertop, everything. All new flooring, new paint, new everything. So your stove would be here, so you have a little prep station use, which is nice. You got a pantry in here. Heat, water, sewer, hot water is included. Nice original tile floors with a new modern sink base, vanity, new shower wall surrounds and fixtures. Little mini linen closet, a cabinet up there. Medicine cabinet lights as well. Pork Chop likes it. Right, girl? Alright. Okay, this is the one bedroom. Easily fit a king size bed in here. I got the camera on wide angle, and so it makes it a little awkward, a little strange on the viewing. But a king size bed definitely fit in here. It's like it's not the angle's a little off. It's not completely square. It's like that's more of an angle on that side. Just the layout of it. All new windows throughout. Very nicely done. Just need the electric on. We're just waiting on the permit. Everything is closed down from coronavirus. We didn't get a chance to have it inspected yet, so the inspectors aren't working. So as soon as the electric should be on. But if you see this advertised, the electric will be on. Nice big coat closet, walk-in closet off the living room. Huge living room. You can fit any couch in here, no problem. And you have this little bonus room that's off the living room as well. This could be a nice office. Oh, this could be even another bedroom if I added some doors to this. If you wanted to, we could probably put doors in for you at a price, and make this another bedroom. But there's no closet in there really, so it's best to have it like an office. And this is the second bedroom here. And you could get away with a king size bed. It'd be tight in this one, but you'd be able to walk on both sides of it with the king size bed in the way. With furniture on that side there. Nice big closet. And you also have a nice skylight in here. And you have a ceiling fan. Decent sized closet. All right, if you're interested in this property, just go to the website at parasoleproperties.com, P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E, properties.com. Submit an application on the homepage, and we'll be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to view this property. We have to do everything remotely because we are not allowed to practice safe distances with all our applicants. So it'll be a self-guided tour. So that's the main entrance off the parking lot. But also, if you're walking, you can also come in off Main Avenue. And this is the hallway. This is all going to be done next on construction-wise. We want to get the deck done first. So everybody coming that way, then we can work on this. There'll be new floor and walls in here. And coming down, you have the stairway that goes to Main Avenue, and a stairway that goes to the side of the building between the houses that go either main to the parking lot. So if you park in a parking lot, you can actually walk up the side to this doorway, come up this way if you didn't want to walk the deck. And then this apartment is just the last one on the right, apartment number 4.